Alright my dear friends, so now let's test our code. For this, we should upload our Arduino codes to our Arduino board. So let's compile now. And also let's upload to the Arduino board. And we are done. And if we want to check our first project, what we have to do now is to move our Python codes. And also let's run our code again. So here is our run Python file in terminal. So let's click this. And you see, we got the output like turning on LED, press letter A, turning off LED, press letter B. And also if you want to exit from the program, press letter Z for exit. And now I will open my webcam and I will share my webcam with you. And I opened. If you press letter A and if you press enter, and you see we have successfully turned on the LED which is connected with our Arduino board. And also if I press letter B, and you see we have successfully turned off the LED which is connected with Arduino board. And we are done. For example, let's press letter A again, and you see turn it on the LED. And if we press letter B, turn it off the LED. So it looks perfect. Alright my dear friends, in this project we learned how to control LED which is connects to the Arduino using Python programming language. So now let's move on to our other lessons and let's build more projects for better understand.